we are going to look at how to write our equations and inequalities from word problems, okay? So our steps we're going to do are we're going to identify the variable or variables. There could be more than one. And then we are going to determine what operations we are using. Could be more than one again. And then finally we will write our equation. Right now we're not going to solve, we're just going to write out the expression. So I've got some operation hints for you here. So if we see some of these words is equal, total, same, then we are looking at that for that equal sign. If we see per, double, times, that's multiplication, plus some, more, increase, we're going to add, fewer, reduce, decrease, we're going to subtract, and share, quotient, or split, we are going to divide. Okay, and then for our inequalities, that's where these come into play. So if I see less than, under, below, beneath, fewer than, it is my less than sign. If I see more than, greater than, over, greater than, larger than, exceeds, then we are using the greater than sign. If I see at most, no more than, maximum, bottom, then it is less than or equal to. And if I see at least, no more than, minimum, no less than, minimum, and top, then we're using the greater than or equal to symbol. So this is your little cheat sheet. Make sure you have this out and refer to it based on the words. So let's look at some kind of problems that you're going to see. A cell phone company charges a monthly rate of $12.95 and that should be 0.25 minutes per call. The bill for M minutes sorry for the mistypes, is $21.20. So it already labels my variable is M, standing for how many ever minutes we talk on that phone. Let's see, we've got a rate of this, so this means that's a constant, it's not going to change. And then we've got 25 cents per minute. So every minute we talk, we're getting charged 25 cents. And our bill is this $21.20. So if we write our equation, we want to know how many minutes we have talked if we've spent this much money. So we incur a cost of 25 cents per minute. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Plus that constant equals that total we spent that month. So this is all we're doing. So let's see. Jeremy needs to rent a moving truck. Suppose company A charges $40 per day and company B charges $60 fee plus $20 per day. For what number of days is the cost the same? Okay, so we've got company A over here and we've got company B. And for each of these, company A and company B, we can write two separate equations. So let's do that. Company A, we just charge $40 per day. So if we need to know how much we're going to rent, we need to know our unknown would be how many days, right? So our variable, let's just name this X, and this means number of days. So for company A, we charge $40 per day. Okay. For company B, we charge $20 per day plus, so addition, per day, that means multiplication, plus a $60 fee. Let's see, I should have done this. This is for a per day means multiplication. Alright, and also now when are these two going to be the same? Same means equal. So when are they going to be equal? meaning 40x equals 20x plus 60. When are they going to be equal? That's it. Hannah is deciding which tennis club to join. A charges $10 for a 1-month trial and a $15 per month after. B charges $10 for a 2-month trial and $20 per month after. Write an inequality for when B is less than A. Okay, so again, we've got two different companies. We've got company A. It charges $10 for a 1-month trial, so that's a one-time deal, and then $15 every month after. So $15 times how many ever months we decide to sign up, plus that initial $10 fee, 1-month trial. So B charges $10 for the trial plus $20 after, so B would be 20x plus 10. Now, it tells you specifically write an inequality, so we're going to be looking at one of these symbols at when B is less than A. So we want B is less than A. So I'm coming up here, which one is less than that, so I'm going to use that symbol with the less than symbol. So I'm going to set these like this. This is my B equation, 20x plus 10 less than 15x plus 10. That's all we're doing. All right, one more example. A school will spend at most $4,000 to buy monitors and keyboards for the computer lab. Each monitor will cost $200 and each keyboard will cost $50. Write the inequality of combinations of X, the number of monitors, and Y, the number of keyboards. So, and it did say write the inequality. So, here's an example where we have one expression that we're going to write, one inequality that we're going to write, but we're going to have two variables because we've got X number of monitors and Y number of keyboards. So we want to know how many we can buy based on their cost and how much we have to spend. So it says in here, the monitor will cost $200. So we're going to spend $200 per monitor that we buy, so how many ever we buy, plus, that's plus sign, keyboards are going to cost us $50, so how many ever keyboards we buy, and it tells us that Y is the number of keyboards. I wish this would not. Alright, and then it says we can spend at most $4,000. So that means over here on this side, at most we can spend $4,000. So I come here, at most is less than or equal to, so my inequality looks like this, 200x plus 50y is less than or equal to 4,000, and that makes sense. We can plug in some numbers here. What we want to make sure we do is not spend over $4,000, right? So how much ever we spend, how much money our total bill comes out to, we want it to be less than $4,000.